Hello and welcome to Yusuf Anobekun YouTube channel. Today on this video, I want to show you three powerful websites you can use to make videos without having to spend on high investments or making high purchases or on high gadgets. You can easily just get these videos done under some couple of minutes. It's slides editing to be done on your system. So without much wasting time, we'll be using three platforms. So we'll start with this first one, Animoto. Animoto has been in existence for a while, and as you can see, how it works is after you've registered on this platform and you've logged in, if you are to create a video, they come up with series of templates that they feel that you can start with. So when I click on create now, you would see some series of drop down. Have you seen the various templates? But because all the recommendations I've been into, I'm talking from the free without having to pay for any of the upgrades. So this is how it looks like when you click on this product, on this template. Now I decide to use that template. So most of this you have to use your network, so it's not something that works offline. You have to be connected, and if your network is not really solid, you're going to have issues. So Animoto allows you to upload photos and videos to start customizing. So the template we chose is just 12 seconds. So let me just play it for you so you see. Have you seen? So because it's a free version, you can see made with Animoto here. So that's the disadvantage of this platform if you are using their free version, which that makes me not to really want to use them. But we're starting with it. So if you feel like you can still use them regardless of maybe there's branding on it, you can go ahead with it. So the next one you want to look at is this particular one. Now you can see this one also work with templates. Now if you look at all this now, they allow you to do as you like. For they said 5,000 customizable videos, text to video. Probably you have some blogs you want to write out, stock medias. This is for premium. So I'm very sure this text to video. So now out of the template I chose this. Now let's see what I will get out of it. So if my network is not really fast, it's going to take forever to load up. But if it's a very good if the service is very good, as you can see, it's loading up now. So we are trying to wait for it. So as you can so you edit accordingly. So if I want to play the slide now, as you can see, so you can add voiceovers and the likes onto it. So since we are not doing any of that, as you can see, there's going to be watermark on it. As you can see the watermark here, you can see the watermark. So if you feel like you're very good with editing, you can still use it and still cover up the watermark. You can watch my previous video on InkShot on how to edit a video, so you'll be able to like use one of the numerous benefits of InkShot to probably cover up the watermark. So this is the second platform, video. All the links to these platforms are going to be in the description below. So this is my favorite, lume5.com. Actually, before I really enjoyed this, I did not really know much about it till I started using it. Now the text to video allows you to write out stuff here, so which is the same thing that happens here. So now when all these videos that you see now are text, which is I just grab them from somewhere, and Lumen just grab videos and template by itself. Now I want to believe every of these other platforms to will allow you to do that. So when you try to play any of this now, so let me see if I can play it, just to let you know how it works. It's also, all these platforms work using online um, network. They don't work offline. So now, as you can see, the write-ups here, it's populating automatically by itself. And the way they brand their own video, which is why I like this platform, unlike this one that makes it like this, Lume is going to wait till the last slide, which is the last slide. That's where you see their branding, so you can easily just cut it off to use it. So as of now, as a recording of this video, that is how I know that they do their stuff. Now, based on this, you can see use AI to generate summary. You can also change it that it should use audio sentencing, the stuff. Now, when you choose the preview, as you can see, and these are live movement of videos, you can easily change the template as well. You can easily swap design, as you can see. So it's changing the how the excuse me, it's changing how the template works. So how you're going to swipe it, how the videos is going to come out. So that's what it's doing now. So these are the three platforms that help you to get videos out very fast, and it makes it very easy for you to roll things up as well. So it's going to help you to get the just carry the text. As you can see, it's showing me how do I want it to look like, which is, you see the various options it's bringing out for me. So I just need to choose one of them, and that's how my video is going to look like. Now look at this. This looks like something that is very good for an intro, something like this. So those are the three platforms of how you can use, without breaking the back, how to create a video in a couple of minutes. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.